Do you know English has idioms hiding in circles, bangles, glass, and even a carousel? Let's unlock 10 idioms that you will simply love to learn and know. To start with, part 1, I shall give you 5 idioms along with the display of beautiful bangles that I purchased. Keep watching and supporting me. And here are the glass idioms for you. Idioms with bangles part 1. The first idiom, keep someone in the circle. And this bangle costs 280 rupees, just a pair. This is not a paid promotion. I just bought it today, so I'm sharing it with you. Keep someone in the circle, meaning include them. Please keep me in the circle about tomorrow's event. The next idiom, the inner circle. These are 8 bangles, 250 rupees. The inner circle. What's the meaning of this idiom? It means a small, trusted group. Only the inner circle knew the plan. So nobody else. We revealed it to no one else. Only to the inner circle. The next idiom is in the carousel. Now what is carousel? It's a moving belt at an airport that carries luggage for passengers to collect. And here the next set of bangles. Now this is a pair, not actually pair, 4 bangles. And this is around 220 rupees. Can you see it? On the carousel, meaning stuck in the same cycle again and again. My tasks keep repeating. I'm on the carousel. Give someone the runaround. It means avoid giving a straight answer. So what's the meaning of this? Let us see. You can think. It is very, very obvious. Direct meaning. What does it mean? So you don't reveal the answer directly. He gave me the runaround instead of helping. So some lame excuses, some silly excuses to not helping others. And the fifth one, all of you are familiar with it. It's more like a proverb. Now this is 250 rupees, 2, 4, 6, 8 bangles. And the proverb or the idiom is, people who live in glass houses shouldn't throw stones because the stones from within will shatter the glass and then fall outside, thereby damaging their own property. Okay, so let's look at the meanings in detail. And the most familiar one, people who live in glass houses shouldn't throw stones. Meaning, don't criticize others when you also have flaws. Circles, glass, and bangles are more than shapes. They are powerful ideas in English. Use these idioms and watch your English sparkle like crystal. See you in the next shot.